Hi everyone, I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome browser is automatically closing in Windows 11 or 10, but don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel, so let's start. Now the first thing you could do is clicking the three dots in the top right and then go to extensions and click manage extensions. Now you have to remove all of the extensions that you've installed, and once you've done that, if the problem still occurs, then you can go back and click on the three dots again. Click settings, go to privacy and security, and make sure to clear the browsing data that you have. Just clear data, and after that make sure to reset your computer. Now if that still doesn't work, then you go back and go to Google homepage, right click and click on the task manager. Make sure to end all of these processes and you're good to go. But if still that doesn't work, then all you have to do is click again the three dots, click help, and make sure to update your Google Chrome to the latest version. Now, if again that doesn't still work, go back, click settings, scroll down and look for reset settings and make sure to click this and reset your Google Chrome browser. Now, I hope this methods work. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!